Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're having a good day out there. I just wanted to share with you something that's just fantastic that you'll love and enjoy. Very, very simple dish. Here are my ingredients. You could probably have an idea. You use that, this, and this into this, which has this. And you make a beautiful butter coffee. They also call it bulletproof. But remember, this is just straight up black, beautiful coffee that I do with my Keurig, right? I do it in here, or this will fit underneath, but I do a cup, fill it up right to the top, and then I pour it into here. I'm adding a tablespoon of butter, one of these. I add almost similar of coconut oil. That has a nice sweet flavor. I like this brand. If your coconut oil doesn't taste right, don't use it. Take it back or get some that does work. It has to have a sweet, beautiful flavor. All right. So you have your beautiful brewed coffee, and be careful you don't spill it. And you can see that this was done about 10 minutes ago, and it's still emulsified. And I put my two, and this just adds a nice, beautiful flavor, and it's healthy for you. All these things are healthy. I'm currently on a carnivore diet, and this is what I'm having for my lunch. This is feeding me. It has the natural fats in it. It's also giving me a little extra energy in the coffees, the cinnamons, right? But what a fantastic drink for you guys, okay? And again, you here, and you zip it probably for about 30 seconds to a minute, and you'll get this beautiful, nice, frothy. The froth is settled down, but you can still see, and if you look, that this is emulsified. And enjoy it. In regards to how much coffee do I use one of these full. I do one of these, and I fill it up, because a lot of those ones you buy that are already made are half the coffee. So I use about 2 tablespoons, and I fill this up, and then I do my Keurig with the coffee I like. This is a beautiful, inexpensive medium roast from Hannaford's I use. Okay? And that's it, guys. Enjoy. I'm going to have a little sip here. And that's acting as energy with the beautiful fats. Losing weight like crazy. Happy. And so, again, if you're looking to take out, especially that fake powdered cream, that stuff is no good. That's bad for you. It has corn syrups and stuff in it. A lot of things that aren't healthy. You can go to this. Okay, thumbs up, guys. Give it a shot. Let me know. All right. Have a good day out there.